This is Friday the 20th of March 2026. When you're standing stuck there, Tanya says there's horses. Here's this little legend. Tanya says there's horses running in the fields. Yeah. Huh? I did, yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Yeah, I see that. We could go to the Blanford Yard today if you want. Yeah, I see them there, yeah.
All over the place. We're getting more horses in there.
Mm-hmm.
They're spreading around
Yeah,
now.
hold up a minute.
Huh? We're getting more horses. I can see they're spreading all over the place now.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? This is the what paddock is this?
Oh, neighbour.
You just see now. This looks like for the moogies. But I could sit down the whole time, Nick. Come on, I'm almost getting film here.
Yeah, don't worry.
What?
Keep on filming a minute.
No, I'm not getting film.
You will. Just quickly get down, man. You little roll there. To your right. Today.
For fuck's sake, Liam, thanks very much.
Yeah. Playing the banjo in that other field.
The horse down there at the Blandfords.
Yeah. Well, not quite a Blandford, but no, not really. Hang on. Don't think so. No, not really. Just these fields here, as you can see, these fields are close to Blandford, not Blandford itself. Yeah.
Jesus, and we can just, it's actually spreading around now, aren't they? It's beginning to spread now, aren't they? All over the place.
Yeah.
And I don't think any of these mares are my friend, Liam. I don't think any of these mares are my friend here. I think that bay could be Ocean, what's it called? Ocean Bliss. That bay in here could be Ocean Bliss, but I can't find my friend Ocean Moon. I think that dark one's looking at me. Or like she's asleep. Don't try the blamp at the today out. I don't think you get any